This is just a test run to see how this is going to work. Recording this video while my phone is on airplane mode, so don't nobody mess up this call. I have a habit of starting a video while I'm going somewhere and then exiting out of the video or ending the video, and I'm not trying to end the video. So we'll see how this works. I'm on my way to Burger King to try this chicken sandwich someone wanted me to do a video on. So I am going up the street from where I live to Burger King. They told me also they wanted my videos to be a little bit longer. So I'm trying to take that into consideration and adding some elements or something else to this videos, because it's kind of hard for me, like I told you guys in previous videos, it's kind of just hard for me to just be sitting here talking to no one and not getting any reactions, no live talking back, it just feels awkward, gotta be coming up with conversation to myself because I'm not really talking to nobody. And I hope you guys can't hear the music playing in my background. I don't own the rights to none of that shit. I gotta turn everything down because YouTube be getting me and I just starting out. Hold on, guys. I'm at the drive-thru. Just hold on. Well, they were sold out of what I was trying to get. Was this chicken sandwich. We're sold out for today. Do I know where another Burger King is close to me? And I want to travel for this damn chicken sandwich? I just messed up my video and what I was doing with my life. Trying to think in my head, where's another Burger King that's closer? I might just go home. I may just go home. This window up in hot Vegas. Trying to cut out some of the drive time. I'm going literally not too far from where I live to the other Burger King, but not trying to drive and talk at the same time because I don't want to be unsafe, so that's where we're at. Okay, we're just trying to be very mindful of the road. All right. Okay, their system is down, so it's going to be about 5-minute wait. I'm trying to think, should I get the regular chicken sandwich or spicy or both and just try both at one time? So I'm trying to debate that right now. I'll be back when I'm done thinking about it and get my order and start to head back home. Still waiting for my food. Hasn't been that long. I just keep pausing the video. My order was taken, and I'm just waiting on them to really just hand me 3 sandwiches and a large fry. And so I will pause this video again because I do not want to drive and talk to the camera. That's a little unsafe for me. So I'm just sitting in drive-thru waiting for my food. And I'll be back momentarily. Alright, you guys. See you soon. We are seriously almost to our destination, which is HOME, home. Just driving down a few back streets, which I call shortcuts. Get off the major road, which I took back streets all the way there. Then there's one major road the rest of the way there. And then, that's what you got. wasn't too far, not too complicated. You know, I'm doing this because I really have fans. Yep, I call y'all fans. People gonna hate, but it's okay. It's okay. Y'all can hate all y'all want. It's okay. I got fans. Don't you come out there. You got to stop sign, honey. People pays attention. There's a lot of construction going on up here. Am I talking loud enough for you guys to hear me? I feel like I'm talking too low. I'm going to work on that. Some people say I talk too loud. And then when I talk loud, I'm talking too loud. So now I'll be talking low and people saying I can't hear you. I used to get in trouble a lot about that. I was talking too low, so I had to speak up. And then when I started speaking loudly, then it became, oh, you're talking too loud. People, I'm confused. See you guys momentarily. Walking to the house now. Shouldn't have said house. Apartment. I always find myself correcting myself. You guys, it is after 8:15. It's 8:23. After 8:15, 8:23. So it's a little sun out still. We're home. We're in the house. We made it. We all set up and we ready to go. But first, before I get to my food, there's some things I got to do before I get to my food. So, I'm going to have me some chuckles. These are some, it's supposed to be vegan edibles. You know what I'm saying? Some rainbow belts, mini rainbow belts. I got to take me a toke or two. This is what I do before I eat sometimes. Not that I have to, but it's just force of habit. It is what it is. And I'll be back. Or I could stay, but I don't want to run most of y'all away. Like, she's starting to smoke on video, or she's starting to do this on video. This is what I do in my everyday, and it is the real Lata. But I don't want to influence anybody, just in case this video gets seen outside of YouTube, because everybody be screen recording all that other stuff, and I would hate for this to pop up somewhere and it still gets in the eyes of the views of a child, and it's like I'm promoting marijuana items or substances to a child. That is never the case, so we want to be careful at the same time, even though we do have people on YouTube taking tokes and stuff, okay? So I'm going to get my toke in and my edible in, and we're going to get to this food. So I'll see you guys real soon, real soon. If only I could play some music in this background. I try to have it as low as possible, and YouTube still get me for them copyright claims, and I ain't trying to get all that. It don't add no restrictions. I do say I don't own the rights to any music playing in the background, and I also put that in the description box. So yeah, it is what it is. Now that that's over with, let's get to the food. We need to make a thumbnail because I ain't take no pictures. I don't know. We'll see. I usually take pictures before I make my videos, but this time around I did the recording first, which I never do, because like I said earlier in the video, I end up accidentally hitting the stop button instead of pausing it and then pressing play when I want to unpause it, of course, to continue the video. So this time I did it right. Even though I am not an editor yet, you guys are just getting it how it is. If you don't like it, don't watch. But there are people that are watching. Hey to my fans. It might be like 5 of y'all, but y'all be telling me, we want to see you do YouTube more. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. The lighting might be on and off. I mean, the more I move, it kind of does something. But anyways, I got 2. Let me get it together. 2 of the king sandwiches. 1 regular, 1 spicy. And then I did get my son something. And I did order us a fry just in case he wanted fries with his Whopper. And he said he didn't want any fries. So, yeah, I usually just get the sandwiches and the fries, 1 fry. Because we usually have drinks here. And I know it's probably the same amount, but we only get 1 fry. And we split that 1 fry. Because, mind you, I personally is not a big eater. So, I know you guys can't see that, but this is what the labels look like. Front and back. This is the front. This is the back. It tells you, do not microwave this bag. It has it marked off that it is a king. Is this the spicy one? No, I guess on the other one it does have. On the other one, it's marked off that it is spicy. Okay? Okay. So it says it's a freshly hand-breaded in our chicken. Oh, chicken in our kitchen. I don't know why. I'm hungry. But I should have smoked. Okay. Thick cut, delicious white meat chicken. Juicy, crispy, and crunchy. Your way, way better. Alright. Cooked, hand-breaded, and all that in our chicken, not our kitchen. I don't know why we closing this. I'm trying to straighten up the bag. Mind you, we did get 2. And they're still hot, guys. I know it seems like it took me forever to get back to this video, but it really didn't. Okay, this one definitely is the spicy. Sorry, guys, if the lighting is a little awkward in these parts, but you can tell that this one is the spicy, right? Look at the original. Okay, for those of you who are very healthy, you're clowning right now. You're like, oh my God, the heart attack, the this, the that, the everything. Oh my God, I can't believe she's about to eat that. And y'all know I got my little stuff set off to the side. Oh, I forgot my waste basket. Hold up, y'all. Let me get my waste basket. I'll be back. Got my waste basket. Washed my hands quickly. Now I got some hand sanitizer with some alcohol in it to hit it off some more. But anyways, we're going to eat these burgers. And I do, right here, got some ginger ale, Canada Dry, and a glass of ice. Off to the side, out of the way. And these French fries. They're warmer than I thought they were, but we're going to put these out the way because if I eat them, then I can't try these. Shoulder give you a lot of paper. Let's put this paper out the way. I know I don't have the best camera quality, but you guys get the damn idea. Don't play games. Look at that paper. That's different. It's dipped in some sauce, huh? Dipped in some sauce. Dip in some sauce. Dip, dip some sauce. Dip, dip, dip some sauce. Okay. Maybe we shouldn't have did that right away. Okay, that's a little different. Okay. Let me get both of these. That's a little. My throat is sensitive to spicy. Y'all, if y'all didn't know. Okay, that's what that look like. The buns be feeling so unreal. And for you healthy people, you like, cause it is. That's where the pickles are. A little sauce. The chicken look like. Let's lift it up. A little sauce down up in there. It is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. Let's take this one. Do the same. Give you the same presentation. That's what that look like with that. That's what pickles are. That's what chicken look like. Let's go ahead and lift it up. It's a little hard to lift up. And there you have it. That's what that look like. Okay. I'm gonna fix these pickles up in here. I know that much. I gotta sneeze. Oh, let me spread the sauce around. There's some sauce on here, but we're gonna spread it around. It's still warm too. Fairly warm. Warmer than I would expect it to be, because it seemed like it's been a long time. But that's still nice and warm. Spread that sauce around. This chicken ain't got that much sauce on it, so it's original. That's what this meat looks like. It almost looks like it want to have a bone inside of it. There we go. I want to say it's definitely similar tasting to Popeye's chicken sandwich. I'm definitely getting that vibe. I'm definitely getting that vibe. As you can tell, I like it. I like that. It tastes like a Popeye's chicken sandwich. Now, on this one, definitely do not look like a Popeye's chicken sandwich. This one is very wet. Like they dip it in something, which Popeye's chicken sandwich is not like that. And it has that all on the bun. Okay. Now we're going to try this one. That's good. And we didn't rearrange our pickles either. That's good. The spice is different from a Popeye's chicken sandwich. I think this one is better than a Popeye's chicken sandwich. This one better. It tastes the same, similar with the pickle, but the flavor of the sauce is different. Now, I don't know if this one was supposed to come like this. Tell the motherfuckers you want it like this. Tell them you want it like that. It's worth it. Spicy. And the older I get, I can't really take too much spicy stuff. But this is still good. Flavor wise, this is good. The meat texture for me is good. You guys may not feel the same way, but for me, this is good. I like crispy. I like crunchy. I like bread. I like pickles. And I like not too bad tasting sauces. Both of these are good. Similar to Popeyes, but you can definitely taste the difference in the spicy one to me. If you guys have not tried these chickens from Burger King, go and try them out and tell me what you think. I did sound like crazy, but that was scary. I thought I lost the whole damn tooth. Yeah, that was scary. I definitely thought I lost a tooth. Yeah, I mean, and I like to say that these chickens are a little bit thicker than the Popeye's chicken sandwiches that I've had. And I've done videos on these chicken sandwiches, Popeye's chicken sandwiches, a few months ago. So if you're scrolling through my videos, go back and see the difference. But yes, these to me were a little meatier, thicker, bigger, crispier, but still had that flavor of Popeye's chicken. That's what I felt like I was still eating, but an upgraded version of it. But this spicy one tastes a little bit different. Tastes a little bit, to me, better than the Popeye's chicken sandwich. The spicy one. I don't know. You do your comparison. You go get you one of each from Popeyes and one of each from Burger King and see what you come up with. It's like their pickles are definitely the same. They got their pickles from the same manufacturer. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Look at that little piece of meat back there. I know we got videos out there where people like, you can do it yourself. Of course you can do it yourself. I can do it myself too, but I like to eat out sometimes, okay? I ain't cooked chicken in my home in a long time. So we're going to do it this way for now. Yeah, them delicious. Them really delicious. And y'all, let me say this. I know in some of my videos, y'all gonna be like, she was saying her prayers, her grace, and all that other stuff. Don't do me. I'm one of the people that could sit here and say my prayers in my head. As soon as I get in the drive-through, wherever, if I'm cooking the food, I'm blessing the food as I'm cooking it. For me, being at home by myself right now, not sitting at the table with a family, I'm not gonna always be on video saying my blessing over my food. Why? Because I already blessed it. I already thank God for it. And I already thank the hands that made it. And thank the animals if they were real. Or whatever this is. I thank the Lord for it already, okay? I surely did. Yeah. You're not gonna always see me on video praising my food. I wish they go back to their original fries. These motherfuckers so damn thick. And I love potatoes, but these motherfuckers thick. American Ninja Warriors on my TV. I'm 26 into this video. Did I say right? Did I say 26? I'm high too, y'all. First high today. American Ninja Warriors on. One of my favorite shows. Hell Kitchen is on too, but I can't watch two shows at once. So, I have to pick between one or the other. And it's too bad I cannot show y'all what I'm watching so we can watch it together. I'm telling y'all, it's hard to do these videos when ain't nobody really there to listen to you. For real, for real. You know, I have to pretend you guys are there. Which is good in a sense, because God gave you a damn imagination for a reason, right? I'm supposed to sit here and really talk to y'all like y'all right here. Y'all talking to me, I hear y'all. I read your comments right now. Thank you for the compliment. Thank you for the support, guys. I really appreciate you. For you newcomers, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, like all the other videos too, while you're at it. Yeah, yes, I'm putting these away. I cannot eat both of these. Don't think just because I said I was high, that I was eating both of these. Come on now. I'm the type of person, because this is something I could reheat in my oven, because my bread would be more crispier and toastier and crunchier. Like I said, I like crunchy stuff. And put that shit in the oven, not the microwave, and reheat that shit. For real, for real. For real, for real. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. For real, for real. Now, I might not do nothing to these french fries. I done had enough of them. I got some stuck in the back of my throat as we speak. Let me put them back. My son really might eat them. We had 30 minutes, y'all. That's a good thing for me. I got some stuff I really do want to talk about. And the only reason why I want to talk about it, because it has been a thought process of mine before. Like, I always try to think about what I can talk about on these videos, but when it comes time to do the videos, all that shit goes out the door. I forget. And a lot of people just say, just wing it. Just go with what you know and all that other stuff. But I don't want to just be here rambling, which tends to happen anyway. So I want to piggyback, excuse me, off of something that I saw B Love. I watched the B Love video the other day, and I hadn't watched B Love videos in a long time. And I've been a fan since before she was actually in the thousands. She was probably like 200 or 300 followers at the time when I came across her video, her channel, should I say. But on this particular channel, The Real Lata, I'm not subscribed to so many people as I am in my other channel, my Latarisha Harris, my previous YouTube channel. I'm subscribed to a lot of people throughout the years because that is my actual main channel. And then I decided to do this channel. I think I'm going on 2 years with this channel, The Real Lata. Maybe 2 years, yeah, a year and a half, 2 years, something like that. But anyways, and I'm logged into this channel, and B Love's videos come up a lot. So I decided to, like, okay, instead of scrolling past them, you know, let's see what's new, even though we're so far behind. It was like a recent video that she had did. I want to say that same day that I watched it. I think it was like a few hours ago. I forgot what the video was about. I think she went to Taco Bell. I watched several videos like within 2 days, so I don't remember which video it was. But she was talking about another YouTuber who was telling I guess the world, because she's a YouTuber, that she takes bird baths from time to time. And I guess it went viral, or it was trending or something. And people were like at this girl about her taking a bird bath. And B Love goes on to say that for her, it's nothing wrong with taking a bird bath, so on and so forth, and that she does too. So topics like this, these are the things that I actually talk about to my friends. I'm a phone person. I've always talked on the phone since back in the days. If you wanted to know where I was, follow the phone cord, and you will find me at the end of it on the phone. So I'm not new to be on somebody's goddamn phone call. So I'm always on the phone with some friends or whoever the case may be. And we are always talking about all sorts of things. Nothing is swept under the rug, you know, even if it's just a theory or an idea or an imaginative thought, we talk about it. And so I've always shared these stories with my friends when it comes to this topic of bird baths or any other topics that you may have heard of on social media. So this gave me the idea to piggyback off of what B Love said and have something to talk about as far as bird bath. A lot of us women are not ashamed to say we take bird baths. You have to understand something when I say this. I shower 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. A lot of you take multiple showers in a day. You might take 2 showers a day. I have a brother-in-law who showers 3 times a day. He has 3 jobs, and he has to make sure that, you know, he just clean. That's just him. He's just clean. So you have those people who probably have OCD, some form of OCD, and have to take more than 5 showers a day. Okay? We understand. I understand. I personally take about 6 showers, 7 showers a week. But weekends I'm off. I come home Friday. I may take a shower when I come home from work. Get work off of me, you know, feel refreshed. Okay. But Saturday night, I may not take a shower. But, haven't done anything. I don't have a man. I'm not involved in any extracurricular activities, if you guys know what I mean? Um, I don't have all that going on in my life. So before I go to bed Saturday night, if I choose not to take a shower, I will take a bird bath. A bird bath consists of, for me, I have two towels, one for my body and one for my face. I also have loofahs and stuff. There's things that I wash with down there that I do not wash anywhere else. Okay? So, anyways, a bird bath for me is washing around my neck, my armpits, my breast area, and my vagina and my backside. Okay? Rinse the towel out, rinse it out good, start all over again. Start all over again. Or or more times than not, or I'll wash everything first, my around my neck, my armpits, and my under my breast, and then wash the towel out, add more soap, and then wash down there. And it gets washed multiple times. I know people saying, why you just don't get in the shower if you're gonna do all that? I don't feel like washing my arms. They're not dirty. They're not dirty. How dirty do you think they are? Now, I had this conversation with a neighbor the other day, and they said there was a homeless guy in our pool. And our pool, you have to have a key to get in it. So I don't know how this homeless guy was in our pool. And it was like, oh, he was bathing in our pool. And, you know, our apartments is shitty and it sucks. And I'm like, well, first of all, the apartments can't keep up with everything that's going on in these motherfuckers. Like, these are men acting like bitches to me. They can't keep up with everything that goes on in an apartment complex. We have 2 swimming pools in these bitches, okay? And one is by the leasing office and the other one is right here behind in the row that I live in, okay? So, if I were a homeless person and some things can happen to people where you're in your right mind and you just lose everything. You're just out on the street. If I'm in my right mind still, I'm going to be bird bathing every chance I fucking get. If I got a friend, some people like, look, I'm seriously not a criminal, but can I use your backyard? Can I use your water hose? Can I use the side of your house? Can I do it privately? Can I go somewhere so that I could, wash these elements? And it's not hard for you to still wash your arms if you were somewhere where you couldn't take a full shower or a bath and you just had a little water. It ain't hard for you to get that shit. You rush in the shower some days. You're not taking a full 10-minute shower, 20-minute shower, however long you shower. You're in there just getting the important spots, boom, bam, and wham, and out the shower. Not everybody knows that you fully washing your body. Some of y'all can't even reach your back anyway. Some of y'all can't even reach around your ass anyway. So I be wondering about some of y'all anyway. Y'all be in that water, but y'all can't hit up the spots. You know what I'm saying? It ain't my fault. Okay. So, yes, a lot of us people take bird baths. I know men who take bird baths. These men work hard. They shower when they want to. But if you don't feel like getting in the motherfucking shower right away, hit up your spots, your armpits, around your neck if you got to. Wash your face, brush your teeth, and hit up around them damn nuts real good and that fucking booty hole. Okay? Spread them cheeks. Get in the butt, okay? This your booty hole right here. It's your booty hole. That's what the booty hole look like. Look at them little lines. That's the booty hole look like. Get up in that booty hole with your towel. Move the towel around and get up in that booty. Get up and spread your cheeks, and get up in that booty. You know what I'm saying? Put y'all some apple cider vinegar in your motherfucking shower. Have you some apple cider vinegar for your kitchen. Have vinegar, period, for your kitchen. And then have you some apple cider vinegar for your fucking bathroom. One you might want to clean with and the one you might want to clean your body with. Men could do it too. They probably tell you I don't, but a doctor told me it was safe for me to clean my areas with apple cider vinegar. And I do not put it in a dish bottle, nothing like that. I fucking put it on my towel that I'm washing down there with, and I wash down there. Now, some of you females, y'all be faking the funk. Y'all be on y'all cycles and shit, and y'all don't shave. A lot of y'all don't shave. Some of y'all do shave. That blood stinks no matter what you try to fucking say. You can act like it don't stink if you want to. I don't stink. I don't stink. I don't stink. Bitch, you immune to your motherfucking shit. Because sometimes I go in the bathroom behind you bitches and you fucking stink. Some of you don't even be on your cycle anymore and you fucking stink. Why? You need to wrench out that vagina hole. If you take a shower, let some of that water from your hand, put your leg up, go down in your vagina and rinse it out with your fingers. Get that stuff out of there. The stuff stink. That's what stink. You're not taking all of it out, but you're taking out enough to fucking feel fresh. Okay? Then you get that apple cider vinegar and you spread the motherfucking coochie lips and you wash real good up in there. Make sure your towel is saturated with some water and put some apple cider vinegar on that towel. Make sure you do the same thing for your backside. It ain't hard to get up in that booty hole. You see that? That's what a booty hole look like. You get up in that booty hole with your towel and strip that smell off of you. That blood smell, that shit smell. Get up in there. And if you have a hard time washing your motherfucking ass, find some tools or instruments that you can make, that you can put some vinegar on and not rub yourself raw, but strip that smell from down there, even that musty smell. Because some of you guys still get in the shower and you still got that musty smell that be right there in your bikini area. Don't act like you don't. Some of you do. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Stop acting like y'all just smell like roses and cream and strawberries all the damn time. That is not the fucking truth. And I know it's not the fucking truth. We all stink. We all have odor. And if your feet stinks a lot, soak them bitches in some apple cider vinegar and some water. Maybe some Lipton tea bags. You know, to help kill some of that fungus that may be on your feet that you don't know is in your feet. Or change your socks. You know? Put some baking soda in your shoes. Let that shit sit for some time. Shake that shit out. You know, for people who stink like that. Okay? Okay. It's not that fucking hard. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. Okay, y'all. I'm about to fix me something to drink and I'll be right back. I had to take a little total break too. Open up that soda and just, oh, I sneezed a few times because my nostrils is acting up. My nostrils is acting up. And no, I don't snort no coke or nothing like that. I ain't never done nothing like that in my life. Cause I know how you viewers are. Y'all just be finding shit to say about people. Because they sniffing and shit. Not everybody do crack. They be like, why you look like this in this video, but you look like this in this video? Because, bitch, I don't got no eyebrows on, okay? And no fucking eyelids, which means eyeliner. I did not shave my eyebrows in today for this video, nor did I put any eyeliner on for my eyeballs. Why? Because I'm gonna go to bed after I do this. Take my motherfucking shower and motherfucking go to bed. That's why, okay? I ain't have time to be sitting there dealing with y'all these eyebrows and these eyelids. It's the real lot time for a reason. Drill so good. That is delicious. Yes, y'all. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Just tell you the truth. People take bird baths, whether they want to admit it or not. Some of you females ain't taking baths at all. Be seeing y'all videos that it went viral and y'all twerking in booty shorts and stuff and somebody stank. None of y'all was ratchet. Mm-hmm. And they got caught and they still, your friends ain't shit. They still put the video on social media. Or you was live and they didn't screen recorded that shit. Yeah. You got to be more careful. I did tell y'all American Ninja Warrior was on my TV. This show be crucial. You got kids, 13-year-old kids, designing some of the obstacles for this show. And people can't even get past the obstacle. And they be like, 13-year-old such and such came up with the design for this obstacle. Interesting. Your kids, if you got creative kids, go on let them over to American Ninja Warrior on their website and tell them to create an obstacle and submit it to them. And they will implement that obstacle in those shits they gotta do. Yeah, I couldn't do it. I am not that fit. I could barely skip. So, yeah, that won't be happening. I would have to train really hard to be able to get through these obstacles and shit. The wind can blow a little too hard and my whole body would turn all the way around. Yes, indeed. So,